Hi and welcome, Lisa here, bringing you a product reveal with the Such and Such 4x6 clear stamp set. This stamp set includes 29 words/sentiments, and they range from fun and silly to heartfelt. These are great for card making and scrapbooking with sentiments like good memories, such a dork, extraordinary courage, a miracle, an inspiration, a beautiful person, a big heart, a fun age, crazy times, and more. Here you can see I used the set on a scrapbook layout and a card. For more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website that's linked directly below for you. We really do appreciate you joining. Don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified when new content is added to the channel. And until next time, take care.